Today we're going to be doing some low-key photography. Low-key photography is good when you want to darken some parts of the area of your photo. So I'm going to show you how to get photos like this. So now I'm going to take some photos. I'm going to start from f14 and go up to f22, and my photos will get gradually darker. F10, f14, f22. Right, so I'm in my hallway. I've got a new assistant, dark fader, and what I've got is a light bulb just up there shining on this side. Well, I have a torch, and I've got my lovely assistant here, the stormtrooper. So I'm going to try and take some photos and see how it goes. I'm right down Menor Mackenzie and click on the subscribe. Now let's see some of the other photos I did.